Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to record a video using Gmeet. So the video you record we can download and keep it in your classroom, or you can keep it in your drive, so that any absentees or the students who are not able to attend your online classes, they can see your videos and like that. So now see here, so for that you need to log in with your account like this. So once if you logged in, you just click on Google Apps icon. Google Apps icon, you know that 9-dotted Google Apps icon, click on it. So after that click on Gmeet. Yes, so this is Gmeet window. Now click on join or start a meeting. Recording. Click on continue. Now click on join now. Right now I don't want to add any people now, so I don't want to invite anyone, so I'm just clicking on cross. Now you can see here the bottommost corner, you can see 3 vertical dots. You just click on it. So these are the options, list of options available here. The first option is record meeting. So you just click on record meeting. And recording a meeting without the consent of all participants may be illegal and accident. That means this box is means you are asking permission to record this meet. All the participants, you are asking permission. Now click on accept. Now the recording will start soon. You can see here one gray color recording icon is moving. So yes, now the icon is in red color, that means the recording is started. Now you can see here this is the people section, and so I just want to tell you one more thing here. Normally your here turn on captions here. Turn on captions are there. So if you turn on captions here, so whatever you're speaking here, we can see here in the titles. Yes, now see here. Now you can see here, I'm just talking in Meet. So whatever I'm talking, you can see here on the titles. So we can turn on the captions also. This is a good feature here available in Gmeet. Now I'm just turn off my captions now. Now after turn on captions, we have present now screen. First I'm going to, now once if you're done with recording, once if your session is completed, you just click on the where you got the start recording option. In the same place you can see stop recording, but you don't have the option to pause your recording. It will continue. So only start recording and stop recording is available, but pausing is not available. So once if you're done with your recording, if you complete your session, just click on stop recording, and I'm click on stop. And I just here want to tell you here present now. So we have, after the turn on captions, here one more option is present now. So click on present now. You will get 3 options: your entire screen, a window, Chrome tab. So if you click on your entire screen and click here, one window will appear. To share your entire screen like this, one window will appear. You just select the entire screen here and click on share. When I click on share, now see, you are presenting your screen now. Now everyone can see my desktop, what is doing and what are the documents I have opened, everything, and the desktop icons also they can see. So if you present entire screen, everything, whatever the action you are doing on the desktop, the people can see. Now second one is, I'm going to stop presenting myself. Okay, now second one is a window. See, a window means how many windows you have opened on your desktop, those many windows will open on your screen. See, I just opened 2 windows, that's why it is showing. So whatever the window you want to show to your students, you can select the window and click on share. And third one is Chrome tab. So right now you can see here in the tabs, I just opened 2 tabs. One is email tab and meet tab. So here it is showing in a list. If you open more tabs, you can see here. So whatever the tab you want to share, you just select the tab and click on share. Only that meet only you can see now. You can't see any other options. So you are presenting your tab now, not entire screen, you are presenting your tab. So like that we can choose different options here. Now I'm just going to stop my presenting. Now next one is, now you just recorded your meet. Now if you want to see that recorded video, you just go to the drive. The recorded video will be saved in your drive. Now to go to your drive, you just go back, and here from the 9 dots Google Apps icon, you just click on drive. Sometimes it will take time to come to save the recorded video. It will take 2 to 3 minutes time to appear in the drive. Now you can see here, this is the recorded video. It is I just recorded in the Gmeet only, and it is appeared in drive. Automatically it will save in your drive. Now if you want to download this recorded video, you just right click on it and you will get different. If you want to share this recorded video, you can click on share option, and if you want to share this link, get shareable link. Like different options are available, but just I'm showing if you want to download this recorded video, just click on download option. Now the recorded video is downloaded. Yes, now the recorded video is downloaded. Now I will show you. It is opening. Now I'm going to end this meet.
Color it is just moving.
See so here.
Yes. Now see here.
Okay. So this is the recorded video. Whatever I have recorded, we can see here. So we can see here recorded video also. So like this we can record a video and we can post it in your classroom. Thank you.